Hello everybody, welcome to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube is a puzzle which needs many algorithms to solve it. So let's begin. So in the video I'm going to be talking about these steps such as right counterclockwise or front clockwise. Clockwise is the direction where the clock goes, so like this, and counterclockwise is the opposite direction. So if I say front clockwise, this is the front face. So I put it clockwise. And we can put it front counterclockwise as well. And then same with the right clockwise and right counterclockwise. Left counterclockwise, left clockwise. And also back counterclockwise, back clockwise. So before we start, you should probably practice these moves because these will help you out throughout the puzzle. Before we begin, you need to make sure that your orange side is behind the red side, your yellow side is behind the white side, and the green side is behind the blue side. If it's not, you can change by taking the sides out and putting them in the right order. If they're already in the right order, then you can start how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is make the white cross. To make the white cross, you will need to put the sides in the correct order. For example, you need to find the white side, which is right here, and we need to put it on its matching color, which we already had, which is blue. Now we can just move this 2 times and it will be on its position. Now here's green. And here we cannot move it 2 times because then green will end up here. So for what we need to do is turn this to a side and then take this middle layer down and then put this side back up and then put the middle layer up again. And now the white side is here. Now we have got a line and we have 2 left to go. So there's one right here, red. So we can move it this side and it's the same process. So we move it to the side. Then we put this down and we move this side back up. We move this way. And now you will see that we have this pattern, and now we need one more, which is over here. So let's move this to the correct place, orange. And with the same example, we can move it this side, put this down, and move this here, and move this back. And now you'll see that you'll have a white cross. Now what we need to do is finish the white corners. So we need to find the white corner. For example, this one. We need to find which colors it is. If it's blue, then we know it will go on the blue side. To put it on the blue side, we will have to move it to this side, and then move this side down and move this side up. And you will see that the blue will go here, and when we turn this back, you'll have the right. Now same with the green. So we need to move this to the green side. So here's the green side. And this is the same process. We move it to the side. We put this down. We move this back here. Move this up. And now we have the orange and green. Now we need to find another one. Here's another one. So here's the green and here's the red. So we'll move it to this. Well, now it's this here and instead of this. So we just do everything the opposite way around. So we move it to this side, put this down, and like this. Now we have got one left. Here it is. Now if you have one at the bottom, then we can just Still put this down, move this 2 times, and put this up again. And then it will be in the correct place, where we can move it here. So you can move this to the side, put this down, put this here, and put this here. And your white will be solved with this line with a T shape. The next step is to solve the sides. So we need to take one of these center pieces, the side pieces, which doesn't have a yellow in them. So this has a yellow in them, but this doesn't. So we will move it to the green side. You see green and orange. Orange is this side and green is this side. For the process, we will have to put it away from these 2 colors. And then we use this algorithm, which is left clockwise, back counterclockwise, left clockwise, back counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, back clockwise, front clockwise. And now you'll see that we have got this in the position. If you have one on, this is red and blue, and this time it's this side instead of this side. So for this, we will do everything with the opposite way. So move this to the side, red and blue, so we move it to the other side. And then we do our algorithm, but this side. So it's going to be right counterclockwise, back clockwise, right clockwise, back clockwise, front clockwise, back counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And now we have got this in the correct. So let's get one more, which is orange and blue. So we will put orange and blue here. To do that, we'll move this to the other side, and then we do our algorithm, which is left clockwise, back counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, back clockwise, front counterclockwise, back clockwise, and front clockwise. And now we have got here. And we just have one left, which is red and green. And for this, again, we put it to the other side, and we do our algorithm, which is left clockwise, back counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, back counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, back clockwise, front clockwise. And now we have all of them set. If you got this pattern that it's green on this side and red on this side and every yellow is gone, then you have to do the same pattern, but it's for this. So we move this. So right counterclockwise, back clockwise, right clockwise, back clockwise, front clockwise, back counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. And now you will see that this is now down here, and we can use the same technique we did to move it to this side, and then we do our algorithm again, which is going to be right counterclockwise, back clockwise, right clockwise, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, back counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. And we have all of the second layer done. Now this is the hard part because you have to learn a lot of algorithms. So what we do now is flip this over and we solve it like this. Now you can have two other variations. Either you have a dot, which will be on there, right there, or either you have a line, which I will show you right there. If you have a dot, then I will show you the algorithm later and save as a side. But I got this pattern. For the people who got this pattern, let me show you the algorithm. This algorithm is going to be front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And now you'll get a cross. If you got the line, then you will have to make sure that it's sleeping line like that. So we'll do the same algorithm we did, which is going to be front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And then you'll get this pattern again, which we'll do the same technique. Front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And you get a cross as well. And luckily I got this whole thing done, but that will probably not happen with yours. If you got a dot, then you'll do the same technique but just 2 more times. So doesn't matter what side you are on, you will do the same technique. Front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And you'll get that line again, which you know what to do with that. Front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And we got this pattern again, which we know what to do with that. Front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And you'll get a cross. Now in here you might also have got 2 other variations, which here you can see is only 1 cross, and here like 1 yellow hair and like that. So if you have got the other 2, I'll show you the pattern for that later, but I'll show you the pattern for this. Now this, what I like to call, is the fish, because this looks like the head and this is the tail. And we can see that this yellow, we need to put it here, but it's on this side and we need it to this side. So for this we will have to do the pattern, which is going to be right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up 2 times, right counterclockwise. Now we got our fish again, and here now this became this side, and now we can do our pattern again, which is going to be front clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, front clockwise, up right clockwise, and back front 2 times. So now you have the yellow layer, so the yellow layer finished. if you got this pattern, then you need to make sure that we have it this side, and then we do the same algorithm, which is right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up 2 times, right counterclockwise. And we'll get the cross again, which we know what to do. And as I told you, if you got these two and one here, then you need to make sure it's like lined up like this. And then we will do our set, which is going to be right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up 2 times, right counterclockwise. And you'll get the fish, which we can do with that. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up 2 times, right counterclockwise. And you'll have the yellow layer solved. Now you will want to find a side which has the most solved, which for me is blue. And then you turn it to the opposite side here, and you do this algorithm, which is going to be right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back 2 times, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back 2 times, right 2 times. And then you get a pattern like this. So now you might have got this pattern, which one is 4 and these 3. And there might be another pattern which is on the screen right now here, where the pattern is all of them are like this, and not only one is completed. So if you have one completed, then you have to make sure it's on the other side, and then do this pattern. So now there are sequences of pattern. If you have got it this way, like we have now, then I'm going to show you the pattern here. And if you have the pattern this way, I'm going to show you that pattern after this pattern. So because I got this pattern, let me show you how that works. So this would go like left counterclockwise, up clockwise, left counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, up clockwise, left clockwise, up clockwise, and left 2 times. And your Rubik's Cube would be solved. If you got this pattern right here, where blue will go here, and green will go here, and orange will go here, then you do this pattern, which is right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right clockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, right 2 times. And your Rubik's Cube would be solved. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And if you didn't, keep practicing, and you'll probably remember all the algorithms. My next video will be about a few tricks you can do with the Rubik's Cube, such as this. This is called a checkerboard, and other really cool tricks. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. and bye.